Alright guys, so real quickly I'm just going to teach you how to center a title on a page and how to create columns beneath that title as if it's a newspaper format. So as an example, we are going to name our document 8th grade Social Studies newspaper. Okay, to center this you can do this one of two ways. You can outline it with your cursor and then go to the Home tab, and on the alignment portion push the centering button, or for shortcuts you can push Control A and that will select all of the words on the page, and you can push Control E and that will center it. Okay, now beneath this title we want to create two columns for a newspaper. So on the page layout tab of the Word document, if you go to columns and click on that, at the very bottom of the options it says more columns. So this allows you to specify how you want it laid out if it's not meeting any of these specifications or preset specifications. And then you're going to apply to, and we are going to apply, or you're going to select two columns, and we are going to apply it to this point forward. So after the title, there will be two columns created, and you can see our cursor centered into the first column. So now when you type, take for example, south, you can see how the column is created and it's centered. So that is just a quick tutorial on how to create a title in almost a newspaper format with the title centered and columns beneath it.